Our topic for today is garage door simulation. This is TLP Logic Pro Simulator. This is the same with RS Logix 500. I'm going to simulate this one. The first thing we're going to see is we're going to familiarize first the simulator. So we have here motor up, and this is the address. Motor down, we have a limit switch to prevent the door from traveling going up, and we have a limit switch number 2 to prevent the door from over traveling going down. We have a pause button, open, close, and stop pause button. We have indicating lights, a jar. It's this one is neither the door open or close. This one will lit. We have a open garage door indicator, and we have a shut door indicator. Now let's start programming this one and writing the code. First thing you're going to click here. This one is just like a drag and drop. We have all these instructions. I'm going to familiarize you a little bit. You can find this in user. So this one is XIC, examine if close. XIO, examine if open. We have OTE, or output energize, LUTs and unLUTs, and we have one shot rising, and this is the rank and branch. So we're just going to drag and drop this one. We are going to drag this XIC, or examine if close. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a start-stop circuit, the basic start-stop circuit. I'm going to drag a rank. I'm going to drag a branch and OTE. So after that, I'm going to drag this ceiling. I'm going to drag this start. So the best thing when you are going to program is you can copy this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click here and copy this rank. Right click here and paste rank above. So now I have two start-stop circuit for our open and close command. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this stop button with address I colon 1/02. I'm going to drag it here, right click this one, and I'm going to rename it. This is the stop button. So once you click this one, it will populate to the other address. You know, if you have the same address with the instruction, it will also populate. The next one I'm going to drag is the open. I'm gonna rename this one. I'm gonna name this open command. And I'm going to drag the open door command. So after that, you're going to drag this one ceiling circuit. This is the same as start-stop circuit. So we're going to complete this one first. After that, I'm going to drag this stop button and this shut command, or shut indicating lights. Rename close door command. Okay, after that, I'm going to drag this one. Before we're going to move on to our next writing of code, we're going to test first if this one works. What we are writing right now is we are just checking the lights, if this one on when I'm going to press the open, and the shut is going to lights when I'm going to press this close command, and it's also stop when I'm going to, and it's also going to stop when I'm going to press the stop button. Okay, let's download this one and let's see. I will press the open. Now it's open. Stop, close, open. So now when I'm going to press the open, the lights of the open command is also open because we don't have a interlock here. We are going to add interlock circuit later on as we go on with our programming. For the moment, we're going to put in a program mode, and let's continue our programming. Let's click this one here, and after that I will drag an XIC and drag another one, OTE. So after that, I'm going to copy this one so that I'm not going to, so that I have two. So the next thing is I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this one here and drag this one here and drag the motor up here, drag the motor down here. Okay, that's good. And let's test if this one works. Okay, run. I will open, stop, stop. But we are going to make, we are going to program this LS1 and LS2 because if not, it's going to over travel and it burn out the motor. So what we are going to do is we're going to install this two limit switch to protect our motor. Okay, program mode. But the first thing I'm going to edit this one so that we know this one is garage door open. This one garage door close. So after that, I'm going to drag another XIO and XIC. Then I'm going to drag this one here. And I'm going to drag this one here for our close. I will rename it limit switch open. Okay, let's test the program. Download and run, and let's open. So stop, open, stop. Okay, now it's not burn out the motor, and it's not going to over travel because this limit switch is open. So we're going to close. Okay, good. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have an interlock of the circuit. Put here and put here, or you can also put here. I think this here is much better on the motor side. Let's see first. We'll drag this one here. Right click and cut. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to drag this one download. So what is this interlocking circuit means is when this garage door is open, this normally close contact, this one will open, so that every time you are going to close the door, you cannot energize the circuit because this one is open. So at the same time, it's also the same when you are going to energize the closed circuit, it's going to open this one. So let's try the circuit. So download and run, open. So I'm going to try to close it. It doesn't work. You need to stop first. We're going to slow down a little bit. Open. If I'm going to press close, I cannot close it because I have interlocking circuit. You need to stop first before you're going to close. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to have this ajar light. So I'm going to do ajar lights for this limit switch because this is the best way to have an indications for our ajar lights. The first thing is I will try to have this. I will try to have XIC for this one, and XIC for this one. Okay, sorry, this one is XIO. Sorry about that. This is XIC. I'm going to drag OTE, output energize, and drag the ajar address. Click this one and download. And let's see what's going on. Run. So now the ajar is lit because either the door open or close. So let's open. So close. So ajar still open. Close. Okay. If we are going to close all the way. Okay, good. I like it. Only the shut indicator is only lit. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to check our on our playlist of our channel. So we have a lots of video over there. We have interview questions for automotive, interview questions for electrical engineers, electricians. We have also master electrician preparations, and hydraulics, pneumatics, robotics, FANOC, and ABB. From now on, I will post a video of PLC. I will focusing on PLC for the moment, and I will do this by episode. Okay, thank you.